Today we're going to be looking at subtracting 2-digit numbers or up to 3-digit numbers with the use of zero. And we're going to learn today how we're going to have to regroup or borrow to make our subtraction work. So let's start with the first one. We always start in the ones column, just like with our addition, always start in the ones or the units. I'm going to be taking away 19 from 98, or I can say I have 98 and I'm taking away 19. Now, if I start in my ones, I have 9 that I have to take away from 8. That's not possible. So what I need to do is I need to come over to my tens and I'm going to borrow, or I'm going to rename. I'm going to borrow 1 10 or 10 ones. Those 10 ones I can now add to my ones column. 8 and another 10 ones gives me 18 ones. Now I can take away 9 from 18. That's going to give me 9. Now I need to move over to my tens. 1 10 from 8 tens gives me 7 tens. My answer is 79. Let's do the next one. So always start in the ones. 8 ones take away 9, or sorry, 9 ones take away 8 is going to give me 1 unit, or 1 1. Now, do I need to borrow or regroup? No. I can move over to my tens. I have 1 10 that I'm going to be taking away from 0 tens. I can't do that, can I? So I need to borrow from my 100s place. I'm going to borrow 100 and turn it into 10 tens. I'm going to put my 0 there because that's going to tell me that I have none left because I am borrowing this 100, and I'm going to turn it into 10 tens. Now I have 10 tens in my tens column. Let's check and see if I can subtract 1 10 from 10 tens. Yes, I can. It is possible. I am left with 9 tens. Check my 100s. I have none to take away, so I am left with my answer, which is 91. 109 take away 18 gives me 91. All right, let's do the next one. I have 5 ones and I need to take that are going to be taken away from 4. That is not possible, so I need to go over to my tens. But I have no tens to rename or borrow, so I need to go once more over to my 100s. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to borrow 100, which now I'm going to be able to have into 10 tens, because 100 is equal to 10 tens. Alright, now I have my 10 tens. Now I can borrow again once more. Turn that into a 9. And I'm going to now be able to take 1 10 and turn it into 10 ones. My 4, along with the 10 ones that I've borrowed from taking 1 10 in the tens column. Now let's see if I can subtract. 5 take away from 14 gives me 9. And then let's see if I can take 8 tens from 9 tens. And yes, I can. That leaves me with 1. And do I need to reborrow? No, I don't. So now let's go over to my hundreds. 3 hundreds taken away from 400s leave me with 100. And this gives me my answer of 119. And that is how you subtract 3-digit down to even 2-digit numbers with using regrouping.